There she is. Today's a great day. Got my tractor. Been dreaming about it since I was a boy. Dreamed about having a backhoe, having a tractor, moving dirt around, having land. Well, it's all coming true. I'd like to thank my wife for supporting my dreams. So I just picked it up in Kentucky and driving back to Lansing and enjoying the new tractor. So I did lots and lots and lots of research, watching YouTube, reading blogs, Reddit on which tractor I wanted to buy, and I narrowed it down to two brands, the LS and the Kioti. I didn't even look at the green machine. I just can't do it. I did not like the Kubota. How they're going back and forth. It just didn't make sense to me. And I didn't like where the shifter is, because I got a grapple and I want to be able to easily handle that, and I don't want to have to reach out and do that. So finally worked a deal on a tractor. Got a complete package with a trailer, grapple, a auger that goes on the front, so that way you can put weight down and then auger down, versus a 3.1. Everybody I've talked to, they're garbage. And so we're gonna be putting a fence around all of our land, our 17 acres. So need a good post hole digger. The Kioti got the 3520SE. I wasn't really worried about the regen. It's not like where you put DEF in it and the truck and all that kind of stuff. It'll just regen. I think they said every 50 hours, if I can remember right, and that's okay. So I wanted a little bit more horsepower. You know, if you're going to buy tractors, buy it right. I was originally wanted a subcompact, and after doing research, that didn't make sense. You know, just get the tractor once. That's what everybody, the one regret they had is they bought a tractor too small. So I did spend a little bit more than I wanted to spend. Didn't want to go up to the 45 horsepower. That was way out of my budget. I'd love to have a cab, but that wasn't in the budget either. But we got lots of attachments. We're good. The only thing I probably need eventually is a tiller, and then I should be good. Maybe a snow pusher, but we'll see how it is. There's no snow down here, 24 degrees, so we'll see what it is like when we get back up to Michigan. Alright, let's take a walk around of the stuff I got. So I got pallet forks so I can lift stuff off semis, because we're going to order a new laser. We got a box scraper so we can clean up the drive, and I'm going to actually extend the drive back to the barn. One of my most favorite things I'm excited about is the grapple. Got a really nice grapple so we can clean up all the woods and build trails around there so our dogs can walk around. They did some very creative getting everything on here. So I got the bucket. Also the R14 tires. That was an upgrade to the Goodyear tires. It's the tractor is loaded. We'll go through all the features it has in another video. And the last minute, went with a backhoe. Did a really good deal on it. They did good by me in the end, so they just really did a good deal. And then got a nice, powerful auger. It goes on the front of the tractor, so you can actually push down, and it actually comes with a 1-foot bit. And then I got the flail mower. I can't speak today. And this one actually, it's really cool. I'll have to do some videos on it, but it actually can move it out on the side so they can mow around the pond, but not have to actually get really close to the pond. And I did add the awning, or the canopy, to it to help keep the sun off.